Welcome to another quick review. Today I'm installing kitchen cabinets, but I'm fixing to get into the pantry. I use a lot of jigs, but this is a jig that is very important if you are actually putting in a pantry and you're putting in shelving. It is also really important if you're building your cabinets and you're going to have adjustable shelves in those cabinets. You need a shelf jig. Now, if you're building a pantry and you don't want your shelves adjustable, then you're probably not going to need this. But if you'd like to be able to adjust those shelves to whatever it is you want to put in the pantry and you want your pantry to be truly adaptable, then you need something like this. Now, this is a very long-lasting, heavy-duty jig. The plastic on it is extremely thick. It has drill spots here with metal shanks so that you cannot actually run it. They even give you a little kit here where you can actually use their pins, their actual drill bits, everything so that you get it right. The only thing this kit doesn't have is the actual pins that hold the shelves. You'll need to order those separate. Now, I just ordered this in specifically for this big project that we are doing. So what I wanted to do is kind of give you a heads up on this if you're needing to build an actual pantry and you need adjustable shelves, or if you're building your cabinets and you need adjustable shelves, you need something like this, go ahead and order. I'll do another video after we've got it done to be able to tell you just how well it actually works in action and show you that. And keep in mind also, guys, this will work on both sides. You need one jig to be able to work both sides. So it's pretty much an all-inclusive unit for drilling out those spots. Do yourself a favor. Pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we'll see you on the next review.